What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. This video, I wanted to talk about the Adidas Continental 80s. Now, I don't want to say the term new because this is definitely a sneaker brought back from the archives. But before anything, guys, quick shout out to the Washington Capitals real quick for winning the Stanley Cup. I'm not gonna front, I know nothing about the NHL, but DC. We're out here. So yeah, just wanted to talk about the sneaker since not a lot of people are talking about it. But before anything, let's go ahead and give you guys some quick B-roll of these sneakers. Shout out to Bow Wow Clan and George for the background music. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go!
Get high, blaze it up, we got them red eyes. If I could pay my bills, I'm good for now. Let's get live, take time to listen and envision with a set mind. Let's ride, but please do pay attention to them red lights. Let's drive and buckle up and please turn on your headlights. Get right, don't have to be perfect, but let's try. Every minute gonna hit a own and need to get mine.
Let's go ahead and take these sneakers out of the box. The Adidas Continental 80s will be coming in the Adidas Originals box, and the first color I wanted to show you guys is in the black colorway. As you guys can see, it's very reminiscent to the Adidas Yeezy Calabasas. And for those people saying it's a bite off of that, this shoe came way before the Calabasas. And as I press onto the sneaker, you can see how soft the leather is. If I was to compare the softness between these and the Calabasas is definitely a lot softer, but you can definitely see the genuine leather on the sneaker. Check out the outsole, very similar to the Calabasas as well. Give you guys a better look. Nice details on the inside. And let's go ahead and move on to the next colorway. Moving on to the next colorway, we have it in white as well. Now, this is definitely a fresh colorway. It's definitely a nice go-to sneaker for the summer, but my only thing about this sneaker is it looks a little too feminine for me. It looks like a cheerleader shoes. If you guys don't know what cheerleader shoes looks like, this is what it looks like. Don't ask me how I know that, but yeah, as you guys can see, the quality on these are definitely superb. It has an $80 price tag, and this is what you guys get for $80. Very minimal, very clean. Check out the details inside. 80 bucks, how could you go wrong? And moving on to our last colorway, we have it in the cream scarlet colorway. Now, this is a great colorway. I love any kind of off-white colored sneakers. I think it's the easiest thing you can wear when picking out outfits. As you guys can see, look at the minimal design on it. It definitely goes with the off-white cream color. The toe box, look at the toe box. It shows you the quality and the softness of the leather. What's really weird about this colorway is it's actually a lot softer than the black colorway and the white colorway. I have no idea why, but I definitely love this colorway the most. You can wear it with a plain white tee, light denim jeans, and you're good to go. Perfect shoe for the summer, and it's only $80. That's $5.3 in the Philippines. And there you guys go. Now that you've seen the Adidas Continental 80s, how do you guys feel about the sneaker? Now, the misconception about the sneaker is it's a poor man's Yeezy Calabasas, which is completely wrong because it's the complete opposite actually. The Continental 80s came way before the Calabasas. It was one of those things where Kanye was looking for inspiration for the Calabasas, and he looked at the Adidas archives and fell in love with the Continental. That's what basically created the Calabasas. And during the 80s, Adidas wasn't really the big brand yet. It was more on Reebok. Reebok was actually one of the biggest athletic brands during the 80s. Why? Because of aerobics, because of working out. Working out was like the huge trending thing during the 80s. Everybody was working out, everybody were watching workout videos, and Reebok were creating workout shoes, hence the Reebok Classics. And that's why this shoe looks a lot like the Reebok Classics, because during that time, Adidas was just trying to keep up with Reebok, and for them to keep up, they created the Continental. They created a shoe where people can work out and do aerobics and do all that fun stuff. All right, Definitely a sneaker from the Adidas archives, because if you guys really think about it, this shoe is 40 years old. Let that sink in. Old enough to probably be your parents, alright? And finally, the sizing for these sneakers, I would definitely recommend going true to your size. I know the Calabasas ran a little long, and I recommended you guys to go down half a size, but for the Continental 80s, stick true to your size. If you have very wide feet, then I would recommend for you guys to go down half a size. These sneakers are now available in the Philippines. You can get your pair at Adidas Originals, as well as Commonwealth Philippines, both at SM Aura and Greenbelt 5. And lastly, if you guys are following me on Instagram already, I highly encourage it. I'm doing a lot of giveaways this month alone. You guys don't want to miss out on that. You guys can find me under RALPHMCFLYGUY, alright? And that pretty much does it for my video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.
That's why I'm giving you my sideline.